How to set up Waze app traffic jam alert. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Waze app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Waze account. Then click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings, click on Alerts and Reports. You'll find it in Driving Preferences. Click on it. Then click on Report, which is the first option in here. Then click on Traffic. Then turn this on. After you turn Show on Map, make sure the circle is on the right side. After you turn on Traffic, you're good to go. This is how to set up Waze app traffic jam alert. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.